dependent field or field dependency concept. So that is one thing that I want to talk here. So I hope everyone is fine with our many-to-many relationship. Now there is a small thing called a field dependency. Now what is this field dependency? Field dependency means making one field dependent on the other field. So we have taken an example here. Let's refer back to this. For client, I have a city and state. City and country. Yeah. For client, I have city and I have country. Right. So in this case, no matter what city you select, you get all the country options, right? Or sorry, no matter what country you select, you get all the cities, or no matter what city you select, you get all the countries, right? In case I want to make these fields dependent, one of the fields dependent on the other, okay? For example, now we just have 2-3 cities, it's fine, even if it is displaying the entire list. Let's say you have a list of, you are doing your business across 7 countries and you have a list of, let's say, 40 or 50 or maybe 100 cities in 7 countries. Now, how would you feel when you click on the drop down and it shows 100 fields there? It will be very difficult for the end user, right? So for that reason, we can create field dependencies. Field dependency means moment the end user selects a country, only the cities which are from that country will be visible under the city field. Okay, so let's work on that. So field dependency, first of all, let me just put a few more options here. For the city field, let's say I've added 3 more cities from 3 different countries. Let's say we are having our business in 4 or 5 different countries. So now I have cities. These are the cities. There can be more, but let's have these ones. And same thing for country. We can just have right. So now we have this long list of countries and cities, right? I want a situation where the end user selects his country. Based on the country, he should only get the cities which are under that country, not the entire list, right? So that is called the field dependency. So we want to make the city field dependent on country. So there can be other scenarios also where you might want to create a dependent pick list. Fine. If you have the pick list value very long, you can make it dependent on some other value, right? So for this, what we have to do, it's very simple. You just need to go to that object. Here the object is client. You just need to go to this client object. Next thing that you have to do is click on field dependency. So where we have this option of custom fields and relationships, beside that we have field dependencies. Okay. Just click on this field dependencies, click on new. So here, which one is the controlling field? Country is the controlling and dependent is city. So you just have to define which is the controlling, which is the dependent field. So out of these fields, country is controlling and city is dependent. Click on continue. Now you just have to include the values. So your controlling field comes here horizontally, your dependent field comes vertically. You just have to select under which controlling field option you want which all options from the dependent field. Under India, I need Mumbai and Bangalore. Under US, I need New York City. Under Australia, Sydney. Under UK, London. So you can press Control and select. Use Control plus click to select, right? So you can select that and say include values. So these values, you see the colors have been changed. These are included values. So for India, whatever, I mean, the dependency you want to create, just create it here, click on include values and that's it. And save it. So we have created a dependency where city is dependent on the country. Now when you try to create a client record, since we have created a dependency now when I try to create a new client, see, because city field is dependent on country, you're not able to select city. See, it's grayed out. You cannot select it till the time you do not select a country. Depends on country. So first of all, select a country, then only you'll have the option. And under that country, you just get the city from that country, whatever country you select. Is that clear? Clear with everyone? Any questions on that? Please let me know. All right. So we are fine with the field dependency part also. So, we have now, you should be able to, think on the